Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm finally doing this video. It's going to be a washi tape collection video. And so I think I'm going to do this Destash thing with you if you don't mind. I'm just going to go through my washi tapes and just pick and choose the washi tapes that I'm no longer using and just destash them. This is the majority of my collection. I have several more, like probably 2 handfuls over there. Probably about 15 more rolls over there on beside the table. But yeah, I thought I would share with you. This is my collection, and I really want all my washi tapes to fit here and just here. I do want to have like a rotating handful of washi tapes over there by the table so that I can kind of exchange them out once in a while. But yeah, it's all in this one container. I guess it's a little bit excessive, but anyways. So let's move on. When I first started this washi tape and planner obsession, well, it started with planner obsession, and then it kind of went onto washi tapes with decorating. I've noticed that the washi tapes from like the cheaper washi tapes, I don't like them anymore. They don't stick very well, and I think I've gotten rid of most of them. Like the Tim Holtz one, this is quite old, so I think I'm gonna destash it, but I like it so much. I love the measurement ones, but I think I'm gonna have to destash those ones, the Tim Holtz one. But let's see, ones that I'm not using anymore. Yeah, I find that like some of them are not really, like they don't adhere very well anymore, and I've pretty much gotten rid of all the cheaper ones because they're not so great. I will always continue to use this one here. This is the MT one, the thin washi tape collection, so I'll always keep that one. This one I received recently from Cute Things from Japan. It's the 10th anniversary gift box. I haven't even opened it yet, but I just wanted to share with you my washi tape collection, so I thought I would bring that out. This one I received from my sweet friend Esther. Actually, I haven't even opened these ones either. She's given me these sweet washi tapes as well, so I see I need to destash and use what I have. So I tried initially to kind of store them by color, but yeah, it's not really working very well. So I'm gonna just really pick out the ones that I'm not really using anymore. Like this one I don't think I'm gonna use anymore. It's not as great, the stickiness, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I like these ones to just when it's called packaging because they're not really any specific design, and I also like them to put them in my junk journals and journaling. So let's pick out the ones that I'm not really using anymore. This one I'm not going to use, even though I bought it because of I like how it has like the different labels on there. This one I'm not, I like this really cool vintagey look, but I don't think I'm going to use that anymore either. This one is still in the wrapper. I think I'm going to get rid of these Tim Holtz ones. Tim Holtz, I think this is also Tim Holtz, but I really like this measuring tape design, but I can't, I'm not going to hold on to it. Yeah, a lot of these thin ones I don't really use that much anymore. I liked them a lot when I was using them for my planners, and I would kind of section off certain parts of the planner, but so I'm just going to put them here, the ones that I'm destashing. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Like, I don't know if I'm going to just maybe destash it in one of the Facebook groups or something like that. But yeah, some of these I'm not even using that much anymore, even though they're so pretty. It's a struggle. Sorry, I'm kind of stuffed up because of the allergies. Trying to color coordinate them as I go. This one was pretty neat. It's kind of like a limited one that I found when I was shopping in Shibuya Loft, but I'm just not using it anymore. These ones I'm not using anymore, but they're so pretty. Yeah, I'm not going to use these. These pretty pink ones either. These thin washi tapes are kind of useful. They're kind of warped, so I feel kind of bad if I ask for money for these warped ones that I have. So I'm just going to leave them for packaging maybe. Let's see what I have here. Donburi. If someone were to ask me what my favorite washi tape is, I really don't have an answer. They're all really lovely. I think I'm gonna destash these, give these ones away. They're pretty neat, like map. They're really good for like collaging. But I'm gonna get rid of those ones too. Like this one is still, it's even in the package still. I don't know why I bought this purple one. I think this is also really great for collaging and things, but I'm not using it anymore. I'm not reaching for it. It's nice to have like basic ones sometimes too. This one I'm not reaching for. Yeah, sometimes it's nice to have like basic ones too, but if I'm not going to reach for it, might as well get rid of it, right? I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm trying to organize as I go, but I don't think it's working out. Maybe I'll try and keep all the pink ones. This is like perfect for Sakura. The brands that I really like are, of course, the MT brand. I know a lot of people say like their washi tapes don't stick very well. I really like the MT brand, and then the Mastei is also really great too. I find that the, you know, the cheaper ones really don't stick very great, so yeah. Something about buying a lot of cheap stuff and then not really working it, and then in the end you just really waste your money. I'm trying to kind of steer away from that this year and just buy things that I'd rather buy really like better quality things that I know that I can use for a long time. I like this Hello Kitty, but I really don't think I'm going to use it anymore, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm not sure. Like, I like these Japanese style ones too, but it's so tough. Such a tough decision. So I'm not going to use anymore. It's starting to look good here. There's another Tim Holtz. I think it was part of the same package as this one. That's really not that great. That I'm going to get rid of. Yeah, so I was showing you here. They look very similar. I think one is like, this one for sure is the classic-y one, this one here. I actually like classic-y washi tapes as well. I think this is like the cheaper version, so I think I'm going to get rid of that one. And then keep... It's such a tough, it's such a tough thing to get rid of washi tape. Because I really, really like them so much. Yeah. Sorry, I just have my daughter here, and I'm trying to do this one-handed. She's in, she just woke up from her nap. So far, here are the ones that I'm probably going to get rid of. The ones here, I'm kind of sad about, like, these two, because I purchased them in a special pop-up shop when I was in Shibuya, Tokyo, but like I said, I'm not using them anymore. And look, all this open space. I like this wood grain one. I can always reorganize the coloring later. Let's see if these all stick inside. Hopefully it will. Let's see.